turn yellow. Bitch, if I can't go, then I can't go. Oh my god.
What the fuck is it? Go.
Oh my god, look at this dumbass. Hear it again.
Stop.
Who the fuck? Why are they honking at me?
Poking at it, and I'm just like, oh.
Bitch, how the fuck do you... How did she expect me to pass?
Weezy out of here.
I know my purpose. European car came with curtains. I have a daughter, I'm buying a baby Birkin.
So today I did decide to do this video a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a prank on Lali. So what I did, I put a poster behind this car that says honk at me. And so we're gonna get her reaction when people start honking at her out of nowhere, you know. And yeah, she has no clue about it. She thinks we're just gonna be filming a mukbang together. We are going to Wingstop, but yeah, in a little bit we're gonna do our intro. So just go on and let's get her reaction and let's see how this goes. 1, 2, 3.
Hey guys. So for today's video, it was just like a little quick minute video,
Last minute video. Yeah, we weren't even planning on filming today, but we're gonna get together and eat, so we might as well film it. But yeah, it was just a little quick thing. We're just gonna do we're doing like a quick mukbang, and we're gonna go eat at Wingstop. So we've been craving Wingstop for the longest. Yeah, just so literally just yesterday we were talking about this. So we were just like, you know what if we just go ahead and film ourselves and, like, you know, just talk about whatever comes up in our mind. Yeah. But yeah, right now we're on our way there. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we're going to the one in the south. So which way do I go? Yeah, to the left. Okay. It's not to your right, it's Lali.
Okay, shit, I don't know.
Kidding.
You always have your shortcuts on going places, so I don't know.
Yeah. And no, yesterday we were literally talking about Wingstop, how bad we've been craving it.
Yeah, like I literally told her, I was like, Amber, do you know when we haven't eaten in a long time? She was like, what? And I was like, Wingstop. And she was like, oh my god, I've been craving Wingstop.
I know, and then I was just like, okay, well, we might as well. We should go tomorrow, and then we're just like, okay, blah blah.
Yeah, and so now we're just like, oh, we might as well film it.
I swear, like, when she's driving, I feel like I have to watch out because...
Oh, I watch out for you too.
No, you're just chilling like this.
For real, fixing everything. Look at that car. There's like Bumblebee.
Oh yeah, like from the Fast and Furious. Right?
From Transformers! Bumblebee! Bitch! Oh my god! I'm like a little, like 4-pack, like how you said you used to have. Bitch, what the fuck? Are they honking at me?
I don't know.
I was not even close to you.
They were waving at you.
Oh, hey. No, it's fine. Like, when are you planning on doing this? Bitch!
I'm telling you to hurry
I had a break on your ass.
What did you say?
I said I should have braked.
Then when they put blue.
Bitch!
What the fuck?
What the fuck is wrong with these people, bro?
Was he waving at you or what was he doing?
No, he was like...
You probably... What's wrong?
I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm doing nothing wrong. It's not my fault he has a fucking motorcycle and goes faster than me.
Oh yeah, you're right, I guess. Maybe that's why. We're probably honking at that car right now.
Like a worship like that.
Just a heads up. Now you can get out your favorite flavors even faster.
Oh, then just 2.
2 rolls.
Okay, anything else?
Yes, that'll be all. No, that'll be all.
I have a 6-piece bone-in, half lemon pepper, half hot slice only with ranch, and then a 6-piece bone-in original hot slice only with ranch and 2 rolls. It's going to be $21.82. Give it about 18 minutes.
Thank you.
You put it together?
Thank you.
I'll be $15. Just wait.
It's gonna turn yellow. Bitch, if I can't go, then I can't go. Oh my god.
What the fuck is it? Go.
Oh my god, look at this dumbass. Sorry, Amber.
Okay, we're here at Wingstop and
we're gonna go inside and pick up our food. We'll be back.
Yeah, we're gonna do it in the car because I don't want to go inside and start filming, and plus there's bad lighting in there.
Yeah, and we were planning on going to like a park or something, but it's like what 100 and some 100. Oh, it's 97. But
it feels like
still
150.
hot. It's really hot outside. Okay, but we're about to go get our food.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're getting our food.
We got our bag.
Okay,
so this is what we got. I got a 6-piece. Well, you already heard the phone order. Y'all already heard the phone order. So
I don't know why they put them in these little boxes.
oh, here, I think I
Can you put my hand oh my god.
I always ask guys it is. Oh my
Yeah.
gosh. I was like, can you put my hand in
Yes, I can. Shit. Never. I feel like you're my kid or something. Okay. Does it matter how I look?
No, just like yours. I want to be like you.
Like that?
Yeah.
We look exactly the same. And then we talk about how we don't look the same. Okay, yeah, it's fine like that, right? Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Right.
I'm fucking dead.
What? Because it looks ugly?
No, because we look the same.
Oh, I know we do. You know, I actually have started seeing it, that we look the same. And look at us, we were matching the same shirt.
What if they were staring at us? They were staring at us and they're like staring at us like a long time.
I know these two girls. I was like,
Are these twins? Are they?
no girl. But, dang, they put a lot of seasoning in this. I like it. I like the roll of seasoning. It wasn't a bad thing. It was a good thing.
We go to the Wingstop in the very south because like they know how to.
Yeah, they just make them better. I feel like the one like near us, like they be slacking. You know?
Yeah, the one on well, I don't really know, but I don't want to talk shit about them, but
Yeah.
just this one makes it the best.
They're so hot.
It is.
Like they just pull them out of the thing. But it's okay.
She's one of those people that complains and says your food is way too fucking hot. It's like,
What?
I'm just kidding.
I was like, when have I ever complained about the food?
I'm playing.
They're good. I mean, we're not recording. Just kidding. Just kidding.
I would decide.
And we're already eating.
I know.
Oh shit, this is
We have
fine.
to pray.
Since when do we do that? I pray on my own time. Like, you know.
Really?
Mhm.
Like, what do you pray? What do you say?
You know.
Or you don't feel comfortable with that?
Yeah, I don't. But I just
Like,
You
if
pray
I
on
know.
me?
Yeah, actually do. Maybe like twice, but hey, it's something.
Yeah, true. I don't know. We didn't get napkins.
We did it. We did it. Oh, I have a shitload of napkins.
Don't drop the fries.
I know.
Oh shit! I want to show them.
Okay, go. Get the cat.
Open it.
It's not bad.
That's a fat stack. Get a napkin. Okay, I gotta put it down.
Okay, good.
Oh, they're different kinds too. She has the brown ones and the white ones.
Just I'm not that hungry because we literally made a fat ass breakfast together. Like before
Yeah.
this video, we made some what were they? Quesadillas?
Yeah, the
Quesadillas.
breakfast
Yeah,
quesadillas.
breakfast quesadillas with like egg, scrambled egg, ham,
They were so good.
tomatoes, and like a bunch of shredded cheese. And like we ate like a bunch, and then we also cooked some pancakes on the side.
Oh, we didn't? I was like, you're making it sound fat.
I'm just kidding. No. Okay, we just got done eating Wingstop, and look at my birthmark, guys. This is my birthmark.
That's not no birthmark. Her boyfriend beat her at. Nah, I'm playing. She's been having that birthmark, and she's always. People are always like, oh, why you have that birthmark?
Girl, oh
Girl, I'm not even outside in the
Too
road.
close. Okay.
But she's always had that birthmark, and people are always like thinking like somebody hit her, or they're like, what happened to you?
Yeah, let's my seat to the front so I can be like her. Looking at it, and I'm just like, oh.
Bitch, how the fuck do you? How does she expect me to pass? Dumbass. Okay. I get so mad. Guys.
You not hung back though.
Huh?
You don't be hunking back.
Why?
Because
They're gonna get out and beat her ass or what?
yeah.
Fuck. So mom's gonna be. So like, does everybody just what? Everybody's gonna honk at me today? So which way?
Oh, get on the left lane.
Yeah.
Wait,
Other one.
do you want your hair down?
No, I think I'm.
I think you look pretty with your hair down.
I look ugly now.
see it?
Oh,
Really?
shit. Nah, I'm fine. Oh my
You should put
god.
this like this.
There's so much traffic.
No, I think they're honking.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna go off because everybody's honking. It's not to me, right?
No, I don't think it's to you. Not to you.
Oh, okay. Are you sure?
I don't think it's for you.
I feel like there's a car behind us.
Yeah. Oh yeah, maybe like. Is it still a car behind? No.
That's what I'm like. Again.
Stop.
Who the fuck? Why are they honking at me?
Just don't worry about it. Just maybe they're not honking at you, girl.
You think so?
No, I don't think so.
Or who is that? Is it Ivan? No, it's a black car.
The cars are stopping up
I
there.
hate traffic.
What is going on?
See him? He looked at us.
Oh, maybe he thinks you're cute.
No,
Look at your hair.
he can't even see me. See? He was
What
talking
if
at
something's
me
wrong with?
then.
What if something's wrong with the car? You think that flat tire since it says? Well, no.
No, there's nothing. They're all at 30.
Yeah.
They're all right.
Good
I
tires.
don't know what's wrong with this kid.
But right now we're going to the mall because we didn't even tell him. Why are we going to the mall?
Oh yeah, cause it's like how do you say it?
Oh,
Tax?
yeah.
No tax something.
Tax-free weekend.
Yeah, it's tax-free weekend. That's why we're
Yeah.
going to the mall. I just really need some pants. I need some new pants.
What kind of pants are you looking for, like?
I want some like with ribs. You know?
Okay. For
'Cause-
what? Where are you going?
Cause all of my ribs, like these are good, but like my other pants, the ribs, like the strings have already been coming off, and it just looks like a hole, and I don't like how that looks.
Oh, okay.
I like when the strings are still there, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so we're about to go inside the mall, and what?
Oh yeah, we're gonna go inside the mall. She's gonna go get some jeans, but I mean, we're not gonna really show you, so
Yeah.
you know, it really there's no point. It's gonna be a quick and go, and then after that we're gonna go home, and then I'm gonna explain to you guys something, and yeah.
Okay.
Okay, bye. Bye.
Well, not bye.
Well-
But we'll be back.
Yeah. Okay, guys. We
It's
okay.
really hot.
We came back from the mall.
Yes,
Quick run.
it's yeah. It's so hot outside.
Yeah, it is really hot. It's like it was windy, but it was like hot wind.
Yeah,
like,
hot
it was
air
really
blowing
hot.
basically. Yeah.
So that's so far. Wait, stop, girl. You gotta stop.
Yes, I'm stopping.
Go.
Okay, okay. We're kind of in a hurry, guys, so we gotta go.
Like, oh, maybe we need to scoot up.
Oh, well, shit. The red.
Oh no, they're not looking at you.
What's going on today?
No, they're not honking at you, are they?
Are you sure?
I don't think so. Someone be like,
Cause I got the yellow, you got the black. Okay, they're honking at
Yeah.
each other, not
yeah,
me.
they're
'Cause-
honking.
Honk?
Okay. No, I
Oh.
said yeah, they're honking at each other. So I'm
Oh,
like,
okay.
okay, so that leaves.
Oh my god, I look
The
like I'm
red
like I'm so excited for my birthday. Quick one. Before we get, oh my god, look at the phone. It feels like we're in a freaking earthquake
I
or
know.
something. Yeah.
I said thank you guys for watching our video. I hope you like it.
Make sure to subscribe and like for more. And you know, we have some videos planned for you guys in the future, and we're so excited to film those. I'm like so
Yes,
ready to
I'm
film
really
those
happy,
videos.
because we already got our shirt to wear.
Yeah, we're gonna wear matching clothes.
Here's
Well,
yours.
not like this type of matching, but
Yeah.
yeah, it's just gonna be so much fun. We're like so ready to film these videos for you guys.
and it's just, I don't know, it's gonna be exciting, especially because like it's just gonna be like activities that we're gonna be doing.
Yeah, and it's gonna
And-
be so much. It's gonna be like first timers. We're gonna be trying new things,
Yeah,
and it's just gonna be so fun. It's gonna be. I don't want to tell you everything.
Yeah.
But yeah.
we're supposed to be focused on this video.
Okay. Anyways,
So-
okay. Make sure to subscribe and like. Okay.
And hit the bell.
Oh yeah, that little thing. Okay. Bye guys.
Bye.
Go ahead and show her. Oh my god! Oh my god, no wonder!
The whole ride.
What the hell? I was getting so mad.
stepdad is over there talking shit.
That's so funny, Amber.
You were just confused standing there.
I was like, what's going on today? Everybody was honking at me.
There we go, guys. I think I did a good job on this, you know, just, I don't know.
Look, you showed them to them?
Yeah, I showed it to them before.
Oh my god. Okay, it's a prank. Bitch, I was so mad. I was about to get out the car and beat some people
She did. She
up.
parked her car.
Oh my god.
Okay, bye.
Okay, now bye.
Weezy out of here. Weezy
I know my purpose. European car came with curtains. I have a daughter, I'm buying a baby Birkin. Fuck the good and